Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS02. So this happens when you're trying to log into your Snapchat account too many times. The first solution you can try is simply by waiting a couple hours. The second solution is making sure that you are using the updated version of your app. Head over to your Play Store and then simply search for Snap. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. If it shows open, leave that as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and then tap on apps. Here also search for Snapchat. Then here tap on storage and clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead and clear the data. Once you do so, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop and then OK. Now, lastly, restart your device, launch your Snapchat after a couple hours, and this should hopefully fix the problem.